Chapter 1: The Foundation of Web Development. Ever pondered the magic behind the creation of websites? Ever marveled at the beautifully designed pages, interactive features, and seamless navigation of your favorite sites? Well, it's no magic. It's the craft of web development, a skill that can be learned, honed, and mastered. Imagine building a house. The process begins with laying a strong foundation. In the world of web development, this foundation is HTML5. It's the backbone of all websites, defining the structure and layout of web pages. Just as the bricks and mortar shape a house, HTML5 shapes the website. Chapter 2: Adding Style with CSS3 and Tailwind CSS. But a house isn't just bricks and mortar, is it? It's the colors, the textures, the style that make it a home. That's where CSS3 comes in. It's the designer of the web world, adding colors, fonts, and styles to the HTML structure. To add more sophistication to the design, there's Tailwind CSS, a utility-first CSS framework for rapid UI development. Chapter 3: Making Websites Interactive with JavaScript and TypeScript. Now, a house isn't much use if it's just a static structure. It needs doors to open, lights to switch on, systems to run. That's the role of JavaScript in a website. It makes the site interactive, responding to user actions. TypeScript, a superset of JavaScript, adds more robustness and scalability to large projects. Chapter 4: Building User Interfaces with Vue.js. But what about the brains behind the operation? That's where Vue.js steps in. It's the JavaScript framework that helps build user interfaces. It's the architect, planning and orchestrating the various elements of the website. Chapter 5: Managing Data with MySQL and Linux Administration. Now, a website doesn't exist in isolation. It's part of the vast World Wide Web. To interact with this world, it needs a database, and that's where MySQL comes in. It's the storage room of the website, holding all the data the site needs to function. Let's not forget the critical role of Linux administration. It's the operating system that hosts the website, ensuring it runs smoothly and efficiently. Chapter 6: Containerization and Deployment with Docker, Nginx, and C/CD. Docker with Nginx is used to containerize applications, making them easier to deploy and run on different platforms. Then there's the construction crew, the C/CD with Bitbucket pipelines. They ensure continuous integration and deployment, keeping the website updated and bug-free. Chapter 7: Server-Side Scripting with PHP and Laravel. PHP and Laravel come into play when dealing with server-side scripting. They handle the behind-the-scenes operations, ensuring the front-end and back-end communicate effectively. Chapter 8: Extending Reach with Mobile Applications and AI. But wait, there's more. With Apache Cordova or Ionic, along with the knowledge of HTML5, CSS3, Tailwind CSS, and JavaScript or TypeScript, you can extend your reach into the realm of mobile applications for Android and iOS. So, what's next after mastering web development? Why not delve into the exciting world of artificial intelligence? With video courses available on platforms like Udemy for just around €15 each, it's an affordable and accessible way to specialize within the web development field. Chapter 9: The Fascinating Journey of Web Development. In summary, web development is a fascinating journey of learning and mastering various technologies. Starting from HTML5, the foundation, to CSS3 and Tailwind CSS, the designers, to JavaScript and TypeScript, the operators, to Vue.js, the architect, to MySQL, the storage, to Linux administration, the host, and Docker with Nginx, the containerizer. Add to that the C/CD with Bitbucket pipelines, the construction crew, and PHP and Laravel, the behind-the-scenes operators, and we have a complete web development toolkit. And with the added ability to create mobile applications and delve into AI, the possibilities are boundless. Dive in, explore, learn, and create. The world of web development awaits you.